Late night or early morning, I can't tell. They praying on my downfall, I wake up fly as hell. Can't shoot me down.
What's going on, everyone? I hope everybody's having a great day. And if you haven't already, hit that like button and consider subscribing. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to upload the TSP Stage 1 tune. I finally ended up deciding to get it here, and it's a pretty easy process. Pretty much all you got to do is you want to go purchase a tune. You enter your K-Tuner software number and your ECU number at the K-Tuner says. The way you find your ECU number is you just find it in your tools and you just go to K-Tuner unit info. And the software number is that right there. These the 5AAA A070, that's the ones you put with the K-Tuner website. And this is for the SI and non-SI model. But pretty much all you want to do is you want to hook up the K-Tuner and stuff to your car. After you do this step out here I'm about to show you, pretty much all you need to do is just go to your email. You'll get a tune file like this they send you after you purchase it. It'll take like an hour or two. And all you do is just open up the file here. Just go to download it. And after you download it, you'll just want to just find wherever it's at in your ECU. It'll be called TSP. It'll be called TSP Stage 1. It's pretty easy to come across. And then the part where you get it on your ECU switch, you want to go ahead and plug up your K-Tuner, turn your car into the on position with the gauges and everything on. And you just make your way over here to File. And you want to go to Open Tune. And when you go to Open Tune, you just come in here to this menu here. And this is where you will search for your tune. It'll be under this PC and downloads, where I found it out. And you want to go ahead and just select your file right here. And once you press open, you'll get this message here saying this is partially locked, and just press OK to this message here. And now you want to connect your K-Tuner to the ECU here. And what you do here is you just press connect. And you just want to just wait for this to connect. You'll get the green box down here and it's ready to go. This may take a few seconds to get right. But make sure your connections and everything's to get them here. And okay, after you mess around and get it connected, I had to look at my cord and stuff. Try not to move this cord or anything when you're messing with us here. But you'll get this message here. It says login. And you should have your throttle inputs and stuff. Just to make sure it's connected right, just press your throttle here. 109, 113%. Seems a little inaccurate, but maybe I'll have the hot vehicle from the factory. But after you get all that, basically you just go over here to this up arrow. So it's upload base code. And just confirm this message here. And then you just play the waiting game after you press flash now directly to this ECU. And this will take a little bit to do here. Expect probably 10, maybe 15 minutes, maybe a little bit less than 10 minutes, depending on how fast your laptop is. And please make sure your laptop's fully charged and stuff, because if this turns off during the process, it's going to create its own list of problems here. And you want to be sure this is on here. The way you do that is basically just the way the tune's set up, with the instructions and stuff. I'll be doing on every video on how to use the TSP Stage 1 tune. But right now it is uploading. You'll get to your dash doing a bunch of crazy stuff. That is completely normal, so don't freak out about that. And it's going to stay erasing. But if this all went good for you, you should eventually end up with a thing that says flash successful. Now, if it says your ECU's in recovery mode, you'll have to redo all these steps again, like go to the file, open tune, and do all that. And alright, after you got through that loading screen, it'll tell you to turn the key off a few seconds, and then turn it back on, like there with the gauges on. And then all you got to do from there is you want to press OK after a few seconds, you'll get the screen saying flash successful. And after that, the tune is pretty much done, and you should be good to go with it, guys. You're ready to go. So I'm gonna go do a drive and stuff like that. Okay, what you want to do here is you just want to just start your car. Once it's started, you want to hold down on the cancel button about 2 to 3 seconds. What up? You'll see your RPM gauge go up to about 1. And that tells you your current tune. Like I'm on map 1. If I want map 2, I'll press up on the resume button, RES button, cruise. That's map 2, map 3 is right here. Press up again. If you want to go down, just press set with the negative. And you can see here I'm going down again. I can go up. And to set whatever map you want to hold down cancel a couple seconds to what up. And your RPMs to go back to normal. This will only work with cruise control off. Now, how you adjust your launch control two-step is you want to push your clutch fully in, hold cancel for about a second, and whatever RPM this goes to is your settings. So the way you would set this down is going down. You can see the tach moving. And if you press up on resume, you move your RPM and you just hold cancel a second. What up? RPMs go down to normal. And like right here, there's my two-step, 3,500 RPM. I set it out. And I have to use two steps, just push your clutch in and forward basically. It's going to hold the RPM. And that's pretty much how you use these tunes right here. Now keep in mind, you will have to reset the launch control and you will have to reset the map if you don't leave the K-tuner box itself plugged in. You don't need to leave the cord plugged in. But leaving the box plugged in keeps these tuned to whatever it is. So if you don't want to be switching maps and setting your launch control for whatever reason, you can just leave your box plugged in. But these maps only take not even 2 seconds to change on the fly. They're pretty easy. So you guys can do it when you're driving and all that. But that's pretty much going to be it for the video. I'll be leaving a couple clips of how quick my car is with this tune. With it being about 50 degrees outside. The mod I have is a TSP Stage 1, the lightweight flywheel, PRL, Cobra, race map. Should put me at 260, 270 crank, I think, if I added all it up in my head. So just be looking for his clips at the end of a video here. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below if you have any questions. I'll try to help everybody out. Hope this helps some people out in the video. And I will be telling you this here. This tune is definitely 100% worth it. My car has so much more power on the top end and mid-range. It's a whole different car again. It's definitely worth getting. And if you live in an area you only have 91 octane, you can mix up to a gallon of E85 and with a full tank of 91 octane. And that'll bring you up a 92, 93 octane. You can also do this with 93. It'll bring you 94, 95 octane. That's the best way to take full advantage of the TSP tune if you only have 91 octane in your area. But here you go. Enjoy these clips.